Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert your account into a business account. A business account allows you to share your posts and get access to free TikTok marketing materials for your business. Now, we are not going to talk too much in this video, so we just get to the action. Go to the profile photo in the right top corner. Click on that and from the options, instead of clicking view profile or live studio, go to settings. Now from your settings, you can do things like make your account private, which I don't think is necessary, or turn on notifications for your desktop. Now what we want is this one. With just one click of a button, we turn our account into a business category. But to do that, you first need to choose the category of your business. So for example, let's say this one is for gaming. TikTok surely does have a category for gamers. So click on gaming, and by the way, we have many categories here, even automotive and transportation if you are selling cars, or if you are into finance and investing, or if you are into media and entertainment, or if you are a personal blogger, restaurants and bars, shopping and retail, travel and tourism, software and apps, many more. Okay, so let's go with gaming for today and click on become a business. That's all you need. So you are now a business account. So these are some of the things that you get as a business account. These are some of the benefits. The first thing is you're going to get a business link up in your menu, which was not there before. You might notice they call it the business suite in TikTok, but also in Facebook and Instagram. There's an app that's called Meta Business Suite for Facebook and Instagram. Anyway, so that's the first thing you notice. You have your business suite up in the menu, but you also get access to other tools like the creative tools, the ads, the TikTok ads manager, and then you also get access to creative tools to edit your video, add some effects and all that within TikTok. And with TikTok ads, you can choose specific goals for your campaigns to get the type of conversions that you need. Conversions might be a sign up, might be a call, might be a visit to your local store. Conversion might also be just a website visit or a click on one of your links. So a conversion is what you want it to be. What do you want your customers to do when they see your ads? The biggest benefit here I see is tracking performance and the analytics that you get access to when you join the business, when you join the TikTok for Business family. So let's go to get started to see what next. So when you click on get started, you need to first create an account, what we call the TikTok for Business account. Now there's one problem here and that is Uganda is not supported at the time of this recording. So I cannot proceed to create an account, but you'll still have access to some features like the analytics. So you'll be able to schedule posts, schedule your content right here in TikTok. Anyway, so that's the video for today. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned something. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, share the video with your friends, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and I hope to see you in the next one.